Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into something pretty exciting. We're going to talk about a new way for well-connected people, people like you, to really monetize their network. Let's get right into it. So just think about this for a second. Every person you know, every introduction you've ever made, what if all that trust you've built up over the years wasn't just, social capital? What if you could actually turn it into your biggest financial asset? And we are not talking about a little bit of side cash here. The potential is huge. We're talking up to ₹500,000 from just one successful campaign. A number like that really makes you wonder, right? How on earth is that even possible? Well, let's break down how this all works. So the whole idea is actually pretty straightforward. It's all about monetizing your network. We're looking at a new kind of role here, a role specifically designed to unlock the financial potential that's just sitting in your professional and social circles. And this new role, it's called a business curator. This isn't just a fancy title. It's for professionals who are super network savvy, people who don't just have a network, but who really get its power. So what is a business curator exactly? Well, you're not just an influencer. Think of yourself as more of a strategic connector. You're using your trusted relationships to give businesses what they need most: real visibility, real credibility, and real engagement. You basically become the trusted bridge between a great brand and its future customers. So what do you actually do as a curator? Well, it's all about action. You could be organizing exclusive events or exhibitions, maybe promoting brands that you genuinely believe in on your social media, or even putting together some really high-value partnerships. It's all about turning your network's potential into actual tangible results. Okay, but how do you turn those actions into actual income? You need the right tool for the job. And in this system, your main tool is something called the coupon pack. This is the key that unlocks everything for businesses, for their customers, and of course, for you. And the concept here is actually super simple. You get a set of unique discount codes for a specific industry, let's say high-end restaurants or tech services. Your job is to get these codes out to the right businesses in your network. It's a really valuable offer they can use right away. Now, what's really cool is that this is not a one-size-fits-all deal. You get to choose the scale you want to operate on. You could start small, test the waters with a 100 coupon pack. Or if you've got a massive network, you can go big with a 500 coupon pack. It's totally designed to fit your own ambition. And this is where it gets really strategic. Just look at how the rewards grow with the scale. With a smaller pack, you're getting a solid 15% commission, which is great. But if you can handle a bigger 500 coupon pack, that commission jumps all the way up to 25%. The whole system is built to reward you for bigger effort and a wider reach. All right, so you're probably thinking, this sounds pretty good, but how do I actually get started? Well, the good news is, the path to becoming a curator isn't some big secret. It's a really clear step-by-step process. It really just boils down to 4 main steps. First up, you apply to collaborate on the platform. Once you're approved, you request a coupon pack for an industry you know inside and out. Then you get to narrow your focus, say luxury hotels in one particular city. After a final check from the admin team, boom, you're officially ready to go. And here's a little detail that's actually really smart. You can customize part of your coupon code. Now, this isn't just for branding. It makes the code instantly recognizable to people in your network, which is a really nice touch that builds trust and makes the whole thing feel more personal. So let's bring this all full circle. We've talked about the role, we've talked about the tools. Now let's connect the dots between what you do and what you earn. It really creates this powerful win-win situation. When you give out the codes, you earn a commission. When you tap into your network, you're literally monetizing your existing contacts. It's a truly symbiotic relationship. You're helping businesses grow, and by doing that, you're growing your own income. And that brings us right back to that huge number we saw at the beginning. Once you understand the model, you can see how that potential becomes very, very real. With the right strategy, especially with premium brands, this isn't just a side project. It's a serious way to earn. So the final thought I want to leave you with is this. You've already done the hard part. You spent years building your network and earning that trust. All of that has created a ton of hidden value. So the only question left is, Are you ready to unlock it?